What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically assign roles to new users on Discord using reaction roles, which is one of the most popular and flexible ways to manage a growing server. Auto-assigning roles helps you keep your server organized, improves engagement, and saves you from manually assigning roles to every new member. One of the best ways to do this is through reaction roles, where users get a role simply by clicking an emoji. First, you'll need a Discord server and the roles you want users to receive. These roles are created inside your server settings and can be anything you want, like age roles, game roles, region roles, or notification roles. To make reaction roles work smoothly, most servers use a bot like CarlBot or ME6. These bots automate the entire process and let users assign or remove roles themselves. After inviting the bot to your server and granting permissions, you'll be able to create a reaction role message in any text channel. Once the bot is set up, you'll create a message that explains what each emoji represents. For example, clicking one emoji might give access to announcements, while another unlocks gaming channels. Users react to the message and the bot instantly assigns the matching role. If they remove the reaction, the role is removed as well. This system works especially well for onboarding new members. You can pin the reaction role message in a welcome channel so new users can choose their roles as soon as they join. While reaction roles aren't fully automatic in the background, they're the most user-friendly and trusted way to let members self-assign roles without moderator involvement. If you want roles to be assigned the moment someone joins, some bots also support default auto roles, where every new member gets a basic role automatically, and reaction roles handle the rest for customization. Overall, reaction roles make your server more interactive, easier to manage, and far more scalable as your community grows. And that's it. That's how to auto-assign roles to new users on Discord using reaction roles. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.